Remand and removal! There's a case sitting in state court, and somebody wants to move it. Let me tell you how it works. Hey! Hey! A case is sitting in state court, but someone wants to move it high up to federal court. But first you gotta ask yourself why. Could that case have been in federal court right from the very start? That's the only question that matters. Know that rule by heart. Only a defendant gets to pull that removal card. The plaintiff cannot do it. That's a line that can't be scarred. Multiple defendants sitting at the table. Everyone must sign. All aboard the notice train, or removals down the line. 30 days from getting served, that's when the clock begins. File your notice to the court, or the right to remove ends. Defendant moves it upward, plaintiff brings it back on down. Removal means it could have been in federal court before. Only the defendant gets to make that call. 30 days from the complaint, get your notice filed right. Diversity cases got a 1-year cap on that fight. Venue lives where the defendant calls his home, where the substantial events took place. That's where you're on. Not proper. Dismiss a transfer. Interest of justice leads the way. 3 places, venues proper. Know them cold. Now let's talk about the venue. Where does this case belong? 3 places where it's proper first. The district where the defendant hangs his hat and stays. All defendants in that same state. Venue proper all its days. The second place is where the substantial part of everything went down, where the heart of all the action was. That's the proper town. If neither one of those apply, then number 3 kicks in, where the court gets personal jurisdiction. That's how venue wins. Now diversity removals got 2 extra rules to know. 1 year from the lawsuit start. After that, removal cannot go, and a defendant cannot move a case back to his own home state. That'd be the plaintiff's ground. Venue proper, judge can transfer for convenience of the parties. Interest of justice, that's the standard, nothing arbitrary. Venue not proper, judge must dismiss or transfer where it should have been. Foreign country in the picture, case gets dismissed. Start again. Corporation venue, principal place of business, or the state where created. Plaintiff wants to remand. 30 days from removal filing, that's the demand. Defendant carries the burden, showing removal was done right. Keep that in mind, and you will win this fight. Removal could have been in federal court. Only the defendant. All defendants must join. 30 days, 1 year for diversity. Defendant, not a citizen of that state. Venue, defendants, residents, substantial events, personal jurisdiction. Transfer, dismiss, interest of justice. Foreign country, case gets dismissed. Slow down on the facts, map it out, and you'll find your way.